So there's nobody out here. It's very calm. It's perfect for beginners like us. There's a breeze. You can see the flags going over there. But we are just going to have a nice, leisurely first sail on our own. See this elbow? I hoisted that mast. There's the jib. And we're having fun. Aren't we, honey?
Yes, we are, dear.
This is something we dreamed about 20 years ago when we were talking to each other on the phone about sailing together. So nothing is ever out of reach. 20 years later, we're finally doing it.